I am Dr. Vinod Pankaj Misra and you are welcome in my YouTube channel Pankaj Institute of English. So dear friends, I am here with 400 MCQs of literary criticism and literary theory and criticism. I have completed from question number 1 to 94 up to part 4. This is part 5. These questions are very useful for competitive exam. इसी प्रकार के क्वेश्चंस के लिए प्लीज़ लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब पंकज इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ इंग्लिश. Let's start our first question, question number 95. Question number 95. Name the poet and critic whose poems were first published in 1914 in Georgiana Poetry Anthology. His best remembered book now is probably Cricket Country 1944. So these four options are here. Option A, Edmund Blunden. Option B, Henry Bergson. Option C, Francis Herbert Bradley. And option D, Malcolm Bradbury. Malcolm Bradbury. So the correct answer is option A, Edmund Blunden. Option A is the correct answer. Now question number 96. Nicholas Boileau was famous for his option A, art poesy, option B, art poetic, option C, ars poetica, and option D, art poetic. Art poetic. So the correct answer is option D, art poetic. Option D is the correct answer. Art poetic. Nicholas Boileau was famous for his art poetic. Now question number 97. Nicholas Boileau's mock epic which influenced Pope to write The Rape of the Locks is option A, Lee Putrin, option B, Lee Lutrin, option C, Lee Sutrin, and option D, Lee Jutrin. Lee Jutrin. So the correct answer is Lee Lutrin. Option B is the correct answer. Now question number 98. The short story writer George Louis Borges, who wrote paradoxical and metaphysical stories, belonged to option A, Bonn, option B, Madrid, option C, Buenos Aires, and option D, Lisbon. So the correct answer is Buenos Aires. Option C is the correct answer. Now question number 99. James Boswell wrote Life of Samuel Johnson in option A 1791, option B 1789, option C 1793, and option D 1795. So the correct answer is 1791. Option A is the correct answer. Now question number 100. Francis Herbert Bradley, an eminent philosopher and a brother of A.C. Bradley, had a great influence on option A, Thomas Hardy, option B, D.H. Lawrence, option C, W.B. Yeats, and option D, T.S. Eliot. So the correct answer is T.S. Eliot. यानी कि A.C. Bradley had a great influence on T.S. Eliot. Option D is the correct answer. Now question number 101. A French poet is believed to be the real originator of Surrealism. Who is he? A French poet is believed to be the real originator of Surrealism. Who is he? Option A, Flaubert. Option B, Andre Breton. Option C, Nicholas Boileau. And option D, Henry Bergson. Henry Bergson. So the correct answer is option B, Andre Breton. Andre Breton. Option B is the correct answer. Now question number 112. Identify the collection of essays on politics and literature that Andre Brink wrote in 1983. Andre Brink wrote in 1983. Option A, File on a Diplomat. Option B, A Chain of Boys. Option C, The Ball of the Plague. Option D, Map Makers Writing in a State of Siege. So the correct answer is option D, Map Makers Writing in a State of Siege. Now question number 130. 103 question number 103. The British Academy elects its own fellows numbering. The British Academy elects its own fellows numbering these four options. Option A 50, option B 120, option C 164 and option D 200. So the correct answer is option D 200. Now question number 104. Which work of Christine Brooke Rose is a work of science fiction exploring the possibilities of a computer dominated society? Option A Jarender, option B through, option C such and option D out. So the correct answer is Jarender. Option A is the correct answer. Now question number 105. Who has written Irony as Principle of Structure? Irony as a Principle of Structure. Option A Catherine Corswell, option B William Brown, option C Clint Brooks and option D A.S. Beard. A.S. Beard. So the correct answer of this question is option C Clint Brooks. Clint Brooks is the correct answer. Now question number 106. Under the influence of John Calvin, a city in Europe became an important center of one of the most disciplined branches of Protestantism. Which city? Option A Venice, option B Geneva, option C Paris and option D Amsterdam. The correct answer is option B Geneva. Geneva. Dear friends, these questions are very useful and important for competitive exam. So, if you are preparing any competitive exam, you must watch this video. Now, question number 107. Calvinism lost its influence after the rise of Arminianism under Archbishop. Calvinism lost its influence after the rise of Arminianism under the Archbishop. Option A William Land, option B William Godwin, option C William Roger and option D William Anderson. William Anderson. So the correct answer is option A William Land. William Land is the correct answer. Option A. Now question number 108. Jane Wells Carlyle is acknowledged as one of the greatest of English language. Option A poets, option B story writers, option C letter writers and option D playwrights. Option D playwrights. So the correct answer is greatest letter writers. Option C is the correct answer. Now question number 109. Who attacked the rhyme in his observation in the art of English poesy? Who attacked the rhyme in his observation in the art of English poesy? Option A Puttenham, option B Campion, option C Daniel and option D Dyer. The correct answer is option B Campion. Campion is the correct answer. Now question number 110. Who answered Campion's attack on rhyme in a defense of rhyme in 1603? Option A Dryden, option B Baby, option C Sidney and option D Daniel. So the correct answer is option D Daniel is the correct answer. Now question number 111. Who is the author of an essay on unnatural flights in poetry? 1701. Who is the author of an essay on unnatural flights in poetry? 1701. Option A Boileau, option B Granville, option C Tasso and option D Pope. So the correct answer is Granville. Option B is the correct answer. Now question number 112. Carrington. Carrington was a live-in partner of option A. Lytton Strachey. Lytton Strachey. Option B. Duncan Grant. Option C. Roger Fry. And option D. John Maynard Keynes. The correct answer is option A. Lytton Strachey. Now question number 113. Catherine Carswell's autobiography is titled. Catherine Carswell's autobiography is titled option A. Son of Woman, option B. Open the Door, option C. Lying Awake, and option D. The Chamomile. So the correct answer of this question is lying awake. Option C is the correct answer. Now question number 114. Name the first play written by Susanna Santilever. Option A. The Busybody. Option C. The Gamester. Option C. Basset Table. And option D. Perjured Husband. Perjured Husband is the correct answer. Option D. Now question number 115. For which work was Helen Sioux awarded her PhD degree? Option A. Le Rêve de la Méduse. Option B. The Exile of James Joyce. Option C. The Newly Born Woman. And option D. Portrait de Dora. Portrait de Dora. So the correct answer is the Newly Born Woman. Option C is the correct answer. Now question number 116. Mary Cowden Clarke wrote the complete concordance to Shakespeare, which could be completed in option A 8 years, option B 11 years, option C 16 years, and option D 19 years. So the correct answer is 16 years. Option C is the correct answer. Now question number 117. The club or the literary club was founded in option A 1762 to 63, option B 1763 to 64, option C 1761 to 62, and option D 1765 to 66. The correct answer is 1763 to 64. 64. So option B is the correct answer. Now question number 118. One of the following was not an original member of the literary club. Identify him. Option A. Thomas Percy. Option B. Samuel Johnson. Option C. Oliver Goldsmith. And option D. Sir Joshua Reynolds. So the correct answer is Thomas Percy. Thomas Percy, option A. Thomas Percy was not an original member of literary club. Now question number 119. Jane Collier wrote The Cry, a new dramatic fable in 1754 in collaboration with. Jane Collier wrote The Cry, a new dramatic fable in 1754 in collaboration with option A. Sarah Fielding, option B. James Boswell, option C. David Garrick, and option D. Catherine Carswell. सो डियर फ्रेंड दिस इज सेकंड लास्ट क्वेश्चन ऑफ दिस पार्ट। यदि आपको इस प्रकार के क्वेश्चन पसंद आए हों तो इन्हें ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लाइक करिए, शेयर करिए, और यदि आप चैनल पर नए हैं तो प्लीज़ इसे सब्सक्राइब करिए, बेल आइकॉन को प्रेस करिए ताकि इस प्रकार के वीडियो जब भी अपलोड हों तो उनका नोटिफिकेशन आप तक पहुँच सके। सो क्वेश्चन नंबर 119. Jane Collier wrote The Cry, a new dramatic fable in 1754 in collaboration with Sarah Fielding. Option A is the correct answer. Now this is last question. 120. The European country which did not practice colonialism was option A Spain, option B Portugal, option C France, and option D Norway. So Norway, option D is the correct answer. आई होप आपको इस प्रकार के क्वेश्चन पसंद आए हों। तो इस वीडियो को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लाइक करिए। डियर फ्रेंड्स, कुछ ना कुछ कमेंट्स ज़रूर करिए, कुछ तो आप बोलिए कि इस प्रकार को आपको वीडियो कैसे लगे। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो।